Can you find the error? Can you find the error? Okay, let's assume some a is equals to b. Okay, now multiply by a on both the sides. Multiply by a on both sides. Okay, what you will have is a square will be equals to ab. Now subtract by b square on both sides. So what you will have after subtracting b square from both the side, you will have a square minus b square will be equals to ab minus b square. Okay, now factorize. After factorization, what you will have is a plus b, a minus b, and from right hand side take b common. You will have a minus b. Okay, so a minus b goes in a minus b. Okay, what you are left with is a plus b is equals to b. Now we know a is equals to b from over here. Substitute a equals b. Okay, so put a equals b. So what you will have is b plus b equals b. Therefore 2b equals b. B goes in b. Therefore 2 is equals to 1. Thank you.